So guys, tignan ninyo yung view dito. Super nice. Yan. Yan ang lake ng Geneva, the biggest lake in Europe. Ayan siya. Ayan.
Un rond-point ici avec un avion, c'est rigolo. C'est mignon. C'est cute.
So that's the Lake of Geneva.
Ouais.
Very big lake.
Space. On top of the places to stop.
Okay, here.
Tell me too late.
So guys, nandito tayo sa Vevey. Ayan siya. Yung buong lake ng Geneva makikita natin dito. Ayan. Ang laki ng lake ng Geneva, guys. It's a plantation of grapes, this one. And that's the lake of Geneva.
L'autoroute elle est juste là. C'est après l'autoroute.
We are passing in the plantation of the grapes.
Ils sont fatigués les vaches.
Guys, you see the lake here. It's the Lake of Geneva. It's a very big lake. Nasa taas tayo ng Geneva. Nasa taas tayo ng road dito sa taas. Makikita natin yung view dito, yung lake ng Geneva sa baba. Ayan po. Yan ang lake ng Geneva. Yan, makikita natin dito yung buong village na yun. Yeah, you can stop here sharing.
Okay, it's nice.
Guys, nandito tayo sa Lavaux. Ito, dito yung lake ng Lavaux. And itong part na to is one of the biggest plantation ng grapes dito sa Switzerland. Lahat yan siya grapes, yan siya hanggang doon sa makikita natin dyan, hanggang dyan, plantation ng grapes yan lahat. Then dito din, plantation ng grapes yan lahat. Ito yung biggest lake ng Geneva. Tingnan niyo yung road doon sa baba. Maganda dito pag may dumaang train. Yun, may dumaan yung train. Sorte natin, nakita natin may train na dumaan. Ayan. So guys, tignan niyo yung history ng Lavaux na to. Yan. So tignan niyo guys, hindi kayo ma-amaze pag ganito makikita niyo. Plantation ng grapes. Yan. Vineyard. Hanggang doon. And then makikita natin dito sa front front view natin is Lake ng Geneva, and then hanggang doon yung vineyard. One of the UNESCO heritage. Dineclare siya noong 2007 and it is very beautiful. Ayan siya guys. Grapes yan siya guys. Hanggang doon. Yun, yan. Yung sa may green lahat na makikita natin, grapes yan siya lahat. Ayun. So, punta na tayo. Bye-bye. Ito yung map niya. Sa buong Lavaux is vineyard lahat yan. Yan ang buong vineyard, yung tanim nila ng grapes plantation. So, tara na guys, bye na.
Les cerises ici.
So we are lucky guys, we can see all the view here, the plantation of the wine or vine grapes.
Somebody's bringing you here. So, good luck.
Yeah. This is the plantation of the grapes. All you can see is the plantation of the grapes. It's a very huge plantation. You can see all the fields that is green. All of that is grapes.
It's the rice fields of Switzerland.
Yeah, if we have rice terraces in Philippines, here in Switzerland they have also the grapes terraces like this. That one, that is all a grape plantation. One of the UNESCO heritage, declared by UNESCO Heritage 2007. Ayan. You can stop there, Michelle. There's a car there. So guys, heto yung sinasabi ko sa inyo yung vineyards. Heto yung plantation ng grapes. From dyan hanggang dito sa baba. Yan, it's the plantation of the grapes, guys. And one of the heritage, UNESCO yung heritage ng Switzerland. Ayan, may train tayo nakita. Kikita din natin dyan ang train. Ayun, at doon din makikita din natin siya. Switzerland is one of the countries full of train and tunnels. Tunnel ng Switzerland is madami talaga, as in. And then dito tayo, ipakita ko sa inyo, meron din tayo makitang train doon. Ayan. Doon may train din. So heto, dito din natin makikita yung plantation ng, although may mga bahay-bahay dyan, pero lahat yan may may tanim na plantation ng grapes. Ayan. Grapes yan siya lahat, guys, hanggang doon sa bundok. Hanggang dito. Ayan. So ayun, ito yung tinatawag nilang Lavaux. Yung place na to is Lavaux, tawag nila. And then, ito yung grapes plantation, tinatawag nilang vineyards ng Vevey, dito sa Lavaux. Ito yung one of the producers ng wine dito sa buong Switzerland. Dito nila lahat tinatanim yung grapes, tapos pag ready to harvest na ginagawa nilang wine. One of the producers ng wine dito sa buong Switzerland, ito yung region na to na tinatawag nilang Lavaux. Ayan. So, itong grapes plantation na to is hektarya-hektarya yan yung niya, yung lawak niya. Hindi lang yan 1 hectare. It's buong region. Kumbaga, isang buong region. Kung sa Pilipinas pa, region 9, buong region 9, it's siya, grapes plantation. Thousands of years na to na ginagawa nilang ganito. Pero may mga bahay sa side-side. Tapos may makikita tayong train doon. Ayun. Nasa side lang siya ng road, guys. Kaya interesting din siya, maganda siya. Stop dito, tapos video. Ayan, tapos dito naman sa baba is lake siya, lake ng Geneva. Ito yung pinakamalaking lake dito sa buong Europe. Tinawag nilang Geneva Lake. So ayun. So napakita ko na sa inyo yung plantation ng grapes. Yan. Sobrang ganda. Nakaka-amaze kasi may mga ganito palang plantation dito sa Switzerland. Bye guys, hanggang dito na lang. Tapos doon mga bahay. Sa gitna-gitna niyan guys, mga bahay din pero plantation yan siya. Ito din dito sa bundok na to. Grapes yan lahat. So yun, bye-bye guys. Bye-bye. Tapos na yung natin, yung film natin.
It's very tiny, so they make it only one way.
So you can see the road here is too tight. Maliit talaga yung road.
That's why there's a light next to one crossing at a time.
So kahit sa bahay, mayroon siyang wine dito, wine
Other
yards.
people, other side, lots of people.
It's too tight. Super masikip ang road.
It's not made for crossing. It's very tight.
So tignan niyo guys yung vineyards dito. Ito yung part ng Lavu din ito siya. Tapos buong region na to is made up of the plantation of the wine, grapes na ginagawang wine sa buong Switzerland. Ito makikita ninyo yung buong plantation yan. Yung kanina nakita din ninyo, ngayon makikita din nyo ulit. Ayan siya guys.
No
So,
stopping.
No, I have already
Fed up.
I had already my video. So yan, lahat na nakatira dito guys ay mayayaman daw. Kasi itong region na to is mayayamang mga tao na nakatira dito kasi malapit sila sa lake, tapos dito sila sa plantation ng wine.
No, sorry. Too steep.
Ayan, ang road is ganito siya, maliit masyado. Isang car lang ang kasya. Pag dumaan ka dito, you have to wait your turn. Pag
It's very steep.
so tingnan ninyo, ganyan.
Here I would go down.
Okay. Guys, nakahanap tayo ng magandang view din dito. Just for you, I'm going to show you all the plantations of the grapes in this side. Yan. Plantation of the grapes, so yan siya lahat. So, this is one of the richest region here in Switzerland. Isa siya sa mga mayayamang tao dito na nakatira is from Lavu. Ito yung plantation ng grapes hanggang doon sa bundok, plantation yan ng grapes. Yung nakikita ninyong green lahat is grapes po yan. Yan. Tapos in front ng grape plantation na to is yung lake ng Geneva, the biggest lake in Europe. Ayan, pinakamalaking lake sa Europe is ito. Tinatawag nilang Geneva Lake. So we are lucky we stop here and film and show you the beautiful Lavu. So ayun guys, bye-bye. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and please watch my video when I upload in my YouTube channel, okay? Bye-bye guys.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. We are passing in the old city of
I'll go here. I think it's
So guys, mali talaga yung dito road nila.
beautiful. Here we are again on the main lane. It's here.
Paduwat yun. Kita natin yung lake ng Geneva.
It's very small. Like in the Lac de Como. Remember that one?
Yes.
Oh,
Wow.
it's funny how they did this.
It's beautiful. Here it's too beautiful. So tignan ninyo guys lahat. Wala kayong makikita hindi maganda, lahat maganda.
Here's a small house here. House of the kill. It's cute also.
So the problem is only the road here is too tight. It's very small.
And they have a few for the. There's one here still.
Yan siya guys, grapes yan lahat. So makikita natin yung lake ng Geneva. Ito yan siya. Buong lake ng Geneva.
It's really beautiful.
Yes. And the people will be very happy to see my videos because I have a very nice video and very
I hope
nice view.
you tip correctly the driver. It's fun to see.
Yes.
You have to laugh more.
Yes. I'm concentrating to film.
Concentrating. That's the job of your phone.
There's a train. Imagine, until there's a lot of plantation of the grapes.
It's really very cute villages here.
Yeah.
But yeah, you have a lot of rich people.